Hey everyone, this is smhawk100. I learned on YouTube how to solve a Rubik's Cube using algorithms, and his name is in the description, so if you want to check out his videos on how to do it, go ahead. I tried to set up the camera as best I could in order to show you how to solve it. Or I'm just going to show you guys how I solve it, so I'm just going to mess this up real quick. Alright, and now it's messed up, so I'm gonna start it. Okay. 5 minutes and 35 seconds. That isn't my best time, but that's pretty good doing by memorization. So, I'd like to thank Dan Brown for teaching me how to do this. I just watched his videos on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. And his YouTube name is in the description, along with the links to his videos on how to solve them. So, yep, that's basically it. So, please subscribe to my videos if you like them, and I'll try to keep updated on how fast I can do this, but 5 minutes 35 seconds for this one. And I guess I'll talk to you later. So from SM Hawk 100, thanks for watching.